Introducing Agentforce Coworker. One AI teammate, every surface, no boundaries. From CRM data to your deepest workflows, it helps you get more done wherever work happens.
All right, welcome back. Today we are going to see a new concept, Agentforce Coworker. Agentforce Coworker is not same as the Salesforce Agentforce chatbot you used to access inside Salesforce. It's based on headless first development approach. So if you would be hearing a decade back when we initially started, we used to hear API first development approach, but that the same API first development approach, uh, maybe it's a old concept, but by doing a rebranding, Salesforce did it called headless first development approach. This Agentforce Coworker is based on that. That means you can access the Agentforce agent inside your Salesforce, no doubt, inside Slack, inside Teams, inside ChatGPT, inside Claude, even inside your desktop application. So you can have a desktop application from there. You can do or access the Agentforce agent. So what next? And the thing is how we can access it. Okay, is it the same way the Agentforce icon we used to see in Salesforce through which we can access the Agentforce agent the same way Agentforce Coworker? No, it's not the same. You can access it using the global search bar. Even right to the global search bar there is a ask button with Einstein icon. Okay, by clicking on that you can access the Agentforce Coworker. So what next? Can Agentforce Coworker do anything for me? No. Agentforce Coworker can do only thing what you have access to, like the security features, the access level, the field level access, the record level access. All those Salesforce inbuilt security features are inbuilt with it. That means any account, let's say for example one account, you have access, you can see it, you have permission to edit it, you can edit it. But the account which you do not have permission to edit, you cannot edit it using an Agentforce Coworker. Okay, that means the security is inbuilt with it. What next? So if you talk about Service Cloud, okay, in Service Cloud, right to the case detail page, generally you would see a panel where you wanted to search the articles or the knowledge articles. There also Agentforce Coworker is automatically enabled. You can search, for example, what is the way to set up a API key, for example. Okay, so you can just search it and you can get the list of article right to the case detail page. That means you don't need to click on the ask button or you don't need to search on the global search bar. Directly from the case detail page you can access it. What next? uh, Agentforce Coworker, it's not just text based, it's also comes with interactive charts or interactive graphics and all those things. Okay, for example, you wanted to see a bar chart, you wanted to see a line chart, so probably that kind of rich user interface is also enabled with Agentforce Coworker. I told you that Agentforce can be accessed using desktop application, even from the Microsoft Teams, Slack, and all those things. But very important thing, it is also accessible from the mobile device. So from your mobile, you can just message so that Agentforce. For example, what are all those cases going to be escalated this week? You can just ask it and you can get the response right away from your mobile device, so you don't need to open your Salesforce screen for this. I told you that Microsoft Teams, it is already enabled, so it will be configured or connect as an app. That means some configuration, some Salesforce connect need to be done first, one time setup. After that, as you can see in the yellow color, highlighted things, there is a Salesforce icon. Once you click on that, your Agentforce Coworker will be enabled and you can access it. What next? I told you that desktop application is an installable application you can install in your desktop, so that you don't need to open your Salesforce org every time. You can do it right away from your desktop application. So Claude Chatbot and ChatGPT both are enabled. So you can do either from the Claude panel, or you can do ChatGPT. So the ChatGPT and Claude used to come up with a connected app feature. You can just have to connect your Salesforce org. After that, if you have Claude installed or if you have ChatGPT installed, you can right away access from there. You don't need to have any extra application or extra software for this. Okay. Now the most important thing is it can be connected to many applications, like it can be connected to your Gmail, it can be connected to your Slack chatbot, it can be connected to your Google Drive, or anything like that, like Microsoft SharePoints. Anywhere your documents or your data is present, Agentforce Coworker can reach there once you connect it and get the information and present it to your user. So the last thing is no context switching. That means you are not switching tabs, you are not switching application, you are doing all together at one place. So that is the best part of it. And I'm not able to show a live demo of this feature because it is not enabled for the developer edition org as of now, because it is in beta. Maybe later phase of time they will enable it, I don't know. But right now it is only enabled if your AI billing is enabled in your enterprise org or your unlimited org, then only we can do that. But at a high level you can understand that Agentforce Coworker is here. Agentforce Coworker is like one stop shop for all your needs. You don't have to open multiple context, multiple page, multiple tabs, nothing like that. That's all for today. Thanks for your time. We'll meet again in some another video. If you like this video, do a thumbs up. If you don't like, do a thumbs down. Comment any thoughts you have in your mind. Subscribe to this channel for more updated features like this. Thank you so much. Have a great day.